Here, let's make it seem Rambam. Oh, it's Tahara. Learning about Tahara, and this is about Tahara. Oh,
It's a special day for you.
the last day that the person from Eretz Yisrael went back home. So in Eretz Yisrael, they start already sent tonight, present Alon Livrocha.
Yeah.
But in Jamaica, the Shluchei Chabad daven the racist stuff.
Yeah, that's why they changed
I think with Kiddush Levana, no, we didn't do Kiddush Levana yet.
Not
It's
yet.
all fun. I get that.
Maybe Motzei Shabbos.
Oh, that's so good.
That's what he thinks. So
I don't know if the milk is nice. Sure. The semach or something. We have to figure out what the semach is.
yeah, you make it really good. You haven't told next time.
Oh my God.
Double go over Galui. It's clear that the concept of Tumah and Tara is not something that the Sechel makes sense. It's Zeras HaKosov. ואינם מדבורים שדעת של אדם במכרעתן. והרי הן מכלל חוקים. It has a כלל החוק. וכן הטבילה מן התומס, when a person go to the mikveh to travel from any tumah, wherever, מכלל החוקים. It's also a חוק. שאין התומתית או צורה שתעבור במים, אלא גזרת הכתובי. It's not because you need water to wash the teeth, it's because the Rebbe says that you have to travel in the mikveh. והדבר תלוי בכוונת הלב. Not only that you went to the mikveh, you have to have a kavone to metar yourself from wherever it is. וכך אמרו חכמים, טבל ולא הוחזק, that mean he made a tvila, but he had no kavone. כאילו לא טבל, is like if he did not went to the mikveh. אף מכן, רמז יש בדבר. Rambam says that he find a רמז. כשם שהמכוון ליבו לטהר. כיוון שטבל טהר, ואף על פי שלא התחדדו לגופו דבר, when a person went to the mikveh, nothing happened. He went the same person, he came out the same person. So what changed? Because he got wet. ככה מכוון ליבו לטהר נפשו מטומאת הנפשות. If somebody have a kavone to metar himself from the tumah from נפשות, שהן, what's the tumah נפשות? שהן מחשבות האובן, a bad thought, ודעות הרעות, and also you have mind sometimes, against somebody or whoever it is, it's bad. But you mechaven, that's it. I'm stopping thinking bad about the person. I'm stopping thinking bad thing. כיוון שהסכים בליבו לפרוש מאותן העצות, since he made החלטות in his heart to stop for all this bad thought, והבין נפשו במי הדעות, and he brought himself to מי הדעות, meaning the pureness, טהר, he became טהור. הרי הוא אומר, וזרקתי עליכם מים טהורים. The Rebbe says that I will throw pure water on you. וטהרתם, and I'll make you טהור, מכל תומסכם, from all your tumas, מכל גאולוליכם את הארצכם. והשם ברחמיו הרבים, and Hashem with all his mercy יטהרנו מכל חטא עוון ואשמה אמן. That's the סיום. So the Rebbe asking a question, why he's Messiah something bad, ואשמה, מכל חטא עוון ואשמה, and then he says אמן. It's ספר הלוכס, what's the אמן over? The second question is, why is Messiah the book with something bad, לכאורה? So it's a very nice deal. So number one, this is Halacha Perek Yud Aleph. Yud Aleph is higher than 10. 10 is a Shleimus, Yud Aleph is higher. So when you come to Mantara, when you became to pure, you higher than regular, you go to higher level. That's number one. Also, since the tumah is metar yourself, so the last word, chet ve'oven, the tumah could turn the chet to a mitzvah and the oven to a mitzvah. So it's not a negative, it's a positive. That when you metar yourself, you metar. And the omen is like not like a kaddish, but like a strong to say that Tzake Mashiach will come, he will spread the pure water on us, and we're going to become tall. And we'll eat everything what we do b'tar b'ezrat Hashem. That's Sefer Asiri, and now we start.
The cleaners.
Cleaner the machshove, cleaner the dibur, cleaner the ma'aseh, cleaner the eyes, cleaner the air. Everything will be pure. We're going to think differently, not like now.
That one's going to be a customer.
Nobody will be customer.
Everybody's going to be everybody's going to be your customer.
Oh, in Beis Hamikdash, there's going to be someone korbanos, right? And the clothes from this became blood and oily from the chicken and the meat and the soil. Well,
You'll be busy the whole day.
yes. No, but Mashiach will come, we don't have to work anymore. The Goyim will do all the work for us.
Yeah, but
It's
somebody
going
has
to
to
be
tell
happy
the Goyim
cleaners.
what to do.
The Goyim will do the work.
Right. We just sit and learn.
Either way, you have a connection with the Beis Hamikdash already.
בשם השם קראו אלוהים. הט ליבי אל יצלחו ואל בצע, ספר 11 וספר נזיקין, הלכות נזקין ממון. פרק א', כל נפש חיה שהיא ברשותו של האדם שהזיקה, בעלים חייבים לשלם. If you have any animal in your position, and the animal made a damage, it doesn't make a difference if it's a cat, a dog, or whatever, חייב. שהרי ממונו הזיק, because your animal is like you ממון. שנאמר, וכי יגוף שור איש את שור אור. אחד השור ואחד שר בהמה וחיה בעוף. לא דיבר כתוב בשור אלא בעוף, because shore usually you have in the house, and so is the one that usually make damage.
Shkoyach.
Now it's a little bit harder now, but even though it's easier, the chayda.
Well, the end of the mikvos. Why? We learn Baba Kama. See, but
it's not like the kahanas.
But